In tech news, Flipper Zero ban. Canadian boomers move to ban a technology that they don't understand. At the National Summit on Combating Auto Theft on February 8th, Francis Philippe Champagne, what a name, Francis Philippe Champagne, the Canadian Minister of Innovation, Science and Industry, announces measures to combat the rise in car theft in Canada. As one of the measures to address this issue, he proposed to ban the Flipper Zero because he claims that the device is being used to steal cars and entry systems. Well, spoiler, this is not true.
Okay, so here's what I have, and I don't know if it happens with the Flipper Zero or with something else. What I have seen is, so basically your car, it can tell if your keys are close to it, right?
Yes.
So what will happen is someone will grab this. I don't know if it's a Flipper Zero or if they're using a Flipper Zero or something, but it'll amplify whatever signal that thing is. The car keys.
Yes.
Are,
well, I'm glad you bring
off.
this up because I have an entire explanation of how this happens here, including a diagram. Yeah. So check this out.
Yes.
That's it. Yeah.
Car thieves establish a connection between the car and the key fob using two repeaters. They hold one repeater near the car and the other as close as possible to the house. So they pick up the car signal, the key fob signal from your house, broadcast it over, and then it thinks that it's nearby. But that is not something that the Flipper Zero does. That's what's so annoying about this. It is not how it works. The Flipper Zero can emulate your clicker, but you could buy another clicker of your own. It can't even emulate your clicker because both your clicker and like your garage door are working off of a constantly changing thing. So what's ridiculous is, and I looked this up, it's like if you can get it to connect to your Flipper Zero, but then your Flipper Zero has to become your car keys now, like because you've offset everything within it. And it just reiterates the point that this guy has no idea what he's talking about. This Francis Philippe Champagne or whatever. He did.
Felipe Zero.
My name is Francis Philippe Champagne.
Champagne.
Oh, look at me! I want to ban Flipper Zero.
Well, actually, he's Canadian though.
Yeah, but come on, he's probably from Montreal.
Well, he put out he put out a statement. He said, "Wait, hold on a second. Let me do this right." Criminals have been using sophisticated tools to steal cars, and Canadians are rightfully worried. Today, I announced we're banning the importation, sale, and use of consumer hacking devices like flippers used to commit these crimes. Meh. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
To stop them stealing treasure.
Again, they don't understand. Like they just go.
Good, Dave.
This is just par for the course with anybody in power. We don't understand what's going on, but we're gonna ban it anyway. Just lame, super lame.